So we're gonna work on the fortune teller project. To do that, there are a couple of steps that we need to do. Create uh, have the IDE. I'm using Visual Studio. You could use IntelliJ or anything you want. I'll be doing it within Java, and I'll just start. Uh, Create a new. All right. Inside, need to create a class. Fortune teller. And since I'll be working on just one class, which it calls itself public static void main rank. We'll use a scanner class. We'll call it input where new scanner object system.in. Then we're gonna also use a random class, random, call it rand. Now, why do we have it? Import random class. Good. Now, what do we need to do? We need to prompt the user for their name and birthday year. That is the basics in fortune telling, I believe. Let's do system.out.print. Enter your name. And we need to create a string name and assign it to input dot. Okay. Now let's see. We have name. We need to have birthday. Let's change this to birthday year. Here now. We need to calculate the user's age. How do we do that? So we'll create a current year that will get an integer and assign it java.time.year. Now let's go with that. And we could get value. And that is for current year. We also need it for age and age, current year, with minus birth year. Hmm. Let's try to put it in the parentheses. What is the year? Undefined argument type as in string. Integer birth year string. Oh. This should have been integer as well. And what am I saying? And okay, now that is fixed. What do we need to do? Now we need to create an array of strings, fortunes that will be generated or will be given out randomly. String array, we'll call it fortunes. And equals that I've created a sample text on the site. So this is the text one. So it includes you'll find love in unexpected places, or good things come to you who wait, or you'll meet a stranger who will change your life, something like that. We're able to add a different with our fortunes. But as now, this is what I came up with. And what do we need to do? We need to also generate a random index into the fortune array. Now, in order to do that, we need to create an integer called fortune index. And assign that in for our random next integer. And we'll add the parameters fortunes length. Okay, and then we need to display the usernames, age, name, and the fortune that they got. So we'll have, let's see, system that out, not print. Hello. We're gonna assign name. And we're gonna assign the age. Um, and then let's add the name, then the age, it is a function since we're using let's just copy this. And we're gonna have your fortune, state of fortune, your fortune is let's have this next line past the fortune, which is fortune within the array fortune index. Fortune index. Okay. Now we need to do what else we need to do? We need to allow the users to continue receiving fortunes until they choose not to get it. So we need a while loop, while true, true. We need to create a string that asks the user yes or no question. We'll have would you like to, or would you like another option? Another fortune, and to the next line and add the answer. Create a string and call it answer that we'll get from the user. Hmm. Something is a bit off. Wow. Let's reduce. Yeah, now it's better. Um, so true loop where it asks for a user and we need to check condition answer that equals to, let's ignore the, would you like, forgot to add the option, yes or no. Um, so we need to have equals just to remove the errors, future errors. We're gonna accept only what? I'm just gonna ignore cases. So equals ignore case, pass the answer. Oh, if it is no, then it breaks and leaves. If, hopefully see it, uh, if they say, if it is the other case, then we'll just go with fortune index. Once again, random next fortune dot length, which gets the which picks out index within the array, and then we need to print it out, the next fortune. Let's go with, yes, still have it. Or we could just copy same thing which we had here. Okay. Your new fortune, let's add this. And once they're finished, once they break, or if they keep asking, they're gonna keep generating the fortune. And if they leave, we're gonna add with another string. And in there, we're just gonna thank the users or thank the customers. Thank you for using the fortune teller. Simple. Let's try to run it. What's my name? We're gonna have it Sam. Birth year, we'll have it as, let's go with 1990. Let's go with 1900. Your fortune is the stars are aligned in your favor. Yeah, I guess if you get to live 123 years, I guess that is a good fortune teller. Let's get another one. Your fortune is the stars are aligned in your favor. What a coincidence. Okay. Good things come to those who wait. Now, this is an odd ball. Okay. Twice we got the stars are aligned in your favor for the person who's lived 123 years. And it says good things wait. Damn. Let's go with no lowercase. Just test out. Thank you for using the fortune teller. Simple as that. Thank you for watching.